Hey guys, today I would like to show you the world's most powerful Camaro ever, the 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 with Victory red exterior color. In this video, I will go over the exterior, interior, as well as start up to the engine and the exhaust note. And today, I would like to give a big thanks to J.R. Lane Chevrolet in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, for letting me come out to film the 2013 Camaro ZL1. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. The 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is the most powerful production Camaro in history, which made its North America debut at the 2011 LA Auto Show. The Camaro ZL1 traces its strong presence back to the legendary 1969 production ZL1 models. Today, ZL1 live up to that iconic name as the most technologically advanced Camaro. ZL1 offer 20-inch wheel, which is 20 by 10 front and 20 by 11 rear size, and are forked aluminum, optimized for high strength and low mass. Behind the wheel is the Brembo brakes that will help provide exceptional stopping distance. It will slow you down as fast as you speed up. The car rolls on 4 Goodyear branded tires, which have been developed and optimized specifically for ZL1 to yield outstanding handling while maintaining requisite street tire performance for wet handling, tread wear, noise, mass, and rolling resistance. These tires are also 11 pounds lighter per car than the tires on the Camaro SS. From the raceway to the driveway, ZL1 has more control on more surfaces. ZL1 was the first car for sale in North America, featuring the latest generation of magnetic ride control. You're not going to find that in many cars. ZL1 has 3 distinct damper calibration: Tour, Sport, and Track. These shocks employ magnetohelical fluid for damping levels at just up to 1,000 times per second, making the system exceptionally responsive and providing increased wheel control on even the roughest road or the most challenging track by dramatically reducing heave, pitch, and roll. The back of the car looks sporty enough for people to know that it is a special edition Camaro. The rear spoiler also come as a standard option. Parking sensors are also built into the bumper. Rear diffuser with quad round chrome tip exhaust featuring dual mode performance that will make this Camaro sound like no others. The front offers a high performance look with a stylish hood air extractor that contribute to improved cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. HID headlamp with LED halo ring, fog lamp, and daytime running lamp. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. 6-speed manual transmission is standard. This particular model has the upgraded option 6-speed automatic transmission with tap shift and remote start, pushing out 580 horsepower and 556 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds. Fuel mileage estimate of 14 city, 19 highway, 16 combined with manual transmission, and 12 city, 18 highway, 14 combined with automatic transmission. The interior features black leather seats with red stitching all around and suede microfiber accented instrument panel, and was designed to outperform every other sports car in its class. The door panels offer sport and elegant touches with black wood trim and red stitching. Both windows are fully automatic. There's the trunk opener, chrome door handle, Boston premium audio system. ZL1 aluminum door sill. Both driver and passenger will get heated seats with 6-way power seat adjustment and power reclining. Aluminum pedals with black stripe running across. The flat bottom high performance steering wheel designed for use in open race cars give your legs room for heel and toe operation and makes getting in and out the car easier. The wheel has a smaller diameter than the standard Camaro wheel, and the rim section has been thickened and tuned to give the driver a more connected feel, which can be improved even further with the available suede microfiber wrap. The ZL1 comes with all technology you expect from the top-of-the-line Camaro. Amenities like the standard rear camera, display on the 7-inch diagonal touchscreen, choose on-store direction and connections, with turn-by-turn navigation, standard for the first 6 months, or available navigation radio for maps and direction. It also offers Chevrolet MyLink. With MyLink, you can easily connect your smartphone through the standard Bluetooth and stay connected, informed, and entertained. One touch open, close, and tilt moonroof. Light control and a circular air vent on the driver's side. Cars like the Camaro was not known for their jazzy interior, but the 2013 Chevrolet Camaro makes a clean look with that tradition, done up with a number of retro touches, like a square bezel around the gauges, suede microfiber on the dash, black wood trim, and the gearbox clutches with red stitching. The overall effect is stylish. The 7-inch touchscreen LCD, dual mode, climate control. This is your oil gauge, your boost gauge, and temperature, and the battery percentage. Gearbox, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and manual. That's your park and brake. Two cup holder. Center storage compartment with 12-volt power outlet and USB and auxiliary input. glove box compartment. Light, sunroof, open, close. Sun visor mirror. Touring mode, sport mode, traction off, control off. There's your 12-volt power outlet next to the gearbox. Up front, it's very comfortable for the driver and passenger, but the back Camaro seats, it's the smallest among its class. Here is my personal view from the back. Sitting in the back can be very uncomfortable and very tight. You cannot move your leg around while sitting in the back, but there are 2 seats available for 2 unexpected guests. To get out of the back, all you have to do is pull the lever, push the seat to get out. The trunk of the Camaro came in at about 11.3 cubic feet of cargo space. Overall, the 2013 Camaro ZL1 has a history to respect and build upon. That's why the 2013 namesake is designed so everything works together, to give you not just power, but precision and control.